Okay, dear unique, who you truly are. Ask yourself these deep, deep, deep questions. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira, who you truly are. Just imagine you're in your 90s. What memories would you like to have? What stories would you like to tell? What is your favorite color, movie, song, book, day, season, and why? If you could make one change in the world, what would it be? Do you like Friends? Yes or no? Why? What excites you? What do you wish you did more of? Pretend money, money is so important, so important. Pretend money is no object. What would you do? What area of your life right now makes you feel the best, and why? Imagine. Let's jump forward a year. What would you like to have achieved in the past year? What piece of advice would you give to 5-year-old you? Oh, important one. How do you want to be remembered in life? Dear unique, write a comment for me, like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.